Mastering holding company types. Operational excellence comes in many flavors, each with its own secret sauce. How do the various types of holding companies, which prioritize operational excellence, differ from one another, and what specific strategies do they employ to achieve their objectives? In the context of holding company types, operational excellence is a key focus area for many organizations. Holding companies that prioritize operational excellence adopt various strategies to achieve their objectives, and each type differs from one another in terms of their approach, structure, and objectives. There are several types of holding companies that prioritize operational excellence, including 1. Strategic holding companies. These holding companies have a long-term strategy for their portfolio companies, focusing on creating value through operational improvements, strategic acquisitions, and divestitures. They typically maintain a high level of involvement in the operations of their portfolio companies, providing guidance, resources, and expertise to drive growth and profitability. Strategic holding companies often have a centralized management structure, with a strong focus on synergies, cost savings, and best practices across their portfolio. To achieve operational excellence, strategic holding companies employ strategies such as implementing standardized processes and systems across all portfolio companies, sharing best practices and expertise between companies, conducting regular performance reviews and benchmarking, investing in technology and digital transformation initiatives, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. 2. Operational holding companies. These holding companies focus on optimizing the operations of their portfolio companies, often through a more hands-on approach. They typically have a deep understanding of the industries and markets in which their portfolio companies operate and provide operational support, guidance, and oversight to drive improvement. Operational holding companies often have a decentralized management structure, allowing each portfolio company to operate relatively autonomously while still benefiting from shared resources and expertise. To achieve operational excellence, operational holding companies employ strategies such as providing operational support and guidance to portfolio companies, implementing cost-saving initiatives and efficiency programs, conducting regular operational reviews and assessments, identifying and addressing operational risks and deficiencies, developing and implementing standardized operating procedures. 3. Financial holding companies. These holding companies focus primarily on financial performance, aiming to maximize returns on investment through efficient capital allocation and rigorous financial management. While they may not be as involved in the day-to-day operations of their portfolio companies, they still prioritize operational excellence as a means to drive financial performance. Financial holding companies often have a centralized management structure, with a strong focus on financial metrics, reporting, and analysis. To achieve operational excellence, financial holding companies employ strategies such as implementing robust financial reporting and analytics, conducting regular financial reviews and assessments, identifying and addressing financial risks and deficiencies, developing and implementing financial performance metrics and targets, providing financial support and guidance to portfolio companies. 4. Industry-specific holding companies. These holding companies specialize in a specific industry or sector, leveraging their deep knowledge and expertise to drive operational excellence within their portfolio companies. They often have a strong network of relationships and partnerships within the industry, allowing them to access the best practices, technologies, and talent. Industry-specific holding companies may have a decentralized management structure, with each portfolio company operating relatively autonomously while still benefiting from shared industry expertise. To achieve operational excellence, industry-specific holding companies employ strategies such as providing industry-specific guidance and support to portfolio companies, identifying and addressing industry-specific risks and challenges, developing and implementing industry-specific best practices and standards, accessing industry-specific networks and partnerships, fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration within the industry. In conclusion, holding companies that prioritize operational excellence differ from one another in terms of their approach, structure, and objectives. While strategic holding companies focus on long-term strategy and centralized management, operational holding companies prioritize operational support and guidance. Financial holding companies focus on financial performance, and industry-specific holding companies specialize in a specific sector. Each type of holding company employs unique strategies to achieve operational excellence, but all share a commitment to driving growth, profitability, and value creation within their portfolio companies.